Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Anatomy. So I just wanted to shoot a quick video and give you an update on the project Code Blue and where we stand. So as any YouTuber will tell you, things don't always get shot chronologically, and where the car stands right now may not be where it was at the end of the last video. So I just wanted to give you an update on the things that I've done in the meantime and show you where the car is at currently. So as you can see, the car looks a little different. I've got a front fender and got a different door on the car, and it does have glass, both the side glass and the quarter window. It's actually in really good shape, except for somebody hacked a couple of big nasty holes there in the bottom. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to change that, because if you know, in these early Mustangs they've got like a textured finish. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is right here where this gasket meets, I'm just going to cut this entire piece away. And I've got this door here, which is, as you can see, all rusted out here, but I think I can cut this part away and have it go onto the original door, or the other door. Also, we've got a whole new back seat in the car. Not going to keep that color interior. I was really just looking for, you know, some springs and whatnot, but it came with it, so it'll be usable for a little while. Coming around to the back of the car, you see I've got some sanding here to do where I section that. Back of the car actually looks pretty decent. It's starting to look like a real car again. Got the tail pan put on and put a license plate on there just to see what it looked like. On the trunk, this trunk was actually a little bit bent in a few places. Got it pretty much worked out. There's one section right here where it dips, and I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see, but it's about a quarter-inch low from here all the way down. So I just need to just ever so slightly tweak that up a little bit. And opening the trunk, my fancy key, went ahead and painted it black even after I got that lizard skin kind of stuff down, and it's really pretty solid. I'm impressed with this stuff. I'd probably come up with a different way of applying it, but man, this stuff is going to be phenomenal sound deadener. So I really like that. One of the other things you may have seen in the car, I now have a steering column. So I picked that up with a big lot of parts. And got the steering box. I don't have a pitman arm yet, but that can come. It is a manual box. I'll probably have it on there for the meantime until I can find a power box or do something different for the front suspension. But ultimately we'll get a quick ratio box in there. And just for fun, I went ahead and bolted the front valance and stone guard on just to see what it looks like. Obviously I have no fender on this side. And last but not least, if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you may have noticed one other thing that we picked up the other day. So I've got an engine, or at least most of an engine. I've got actually just a block pistons and oil pan and a few other little things. So under here, it's got pistons. They're just sitting in there right now, just occupying space. It's a 68 302. Bored 30 over, only ran for 20 minutes before they pulled it apart. I think they had actually put the firing order wrong, so it wasn't running very well, and they disassembled it to see what was wrong, and there it's at. So it's only got 20 minutes of runtime on it. I don't have a crank. and I don't have a cam. I do have a brand new timing chain, brand new oil pan, need a front cover, an intake manifold, heads, you know, a few other little things. But it's at least a start, and I can start assembling bits as I accumulate them. So if you've got some parts that you think I should use on this car, hit me up. My email address is autoanatomy@icloud.com, or leave a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I'm looking for probably a 4-barrel intake, nothing crazy, and really like to find a timing cover pretty soon and a crank so I can go ahead and start putting a short block together. Next up, we're going to go ahead, and this car originally had a vinyl top. I don't know if you can see, but there's like 32 holes all the way down the drip rail. So I've got to weld all those suckers up, and then I can actually start working on the roof. It actually, you know, for being a vinyl car, doesn't look that bad. There's a couple of little dents that I'll have to dolly out, and then obviously finish grinding some of this down and put some all metal in. And then there's a couple little dents like right at the leading edge. Nothing too crazy, but that's about the only thing that's left before I can put this car in epoxy sealer, so it's at least one color. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about where the car is right now. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. If you like this channel and want to support this project build, you can go to our Patreon page or our GoFundMe page. I'll put the links in the description below. I appreciate every bit of support that you can give me just to help make this project come true. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time. God bless.